This is a 2005 Volkswagen Jetta. This is a junk car, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna do a video before I take it to the scrapyard about removing the alternator. First thing you guys need to do is to put it on jack stands, as you can see there. Then remove the tire, passenger front, when you guys have the experience doing this, you guys don't have to remove this liner or this black plastic, but I'm going to remove it so you guys have better visibility. As you can see, there is two belts, one gonna be for the AC compressor and the one behind this one gonna be for the alternator, and this is the tensioner for the AC compressor belt. For this gonna be 15mm bolt, see. Once you remove the belt, you guys gonna have to remove the tensioner. But in order to remove the tensioner, you guys gonna have to remove the pulley first. So the bolt for the tensioner is gonna be a triple square M10. Make sure it's all the way in, so you guys do not strip the bolt. Right, it's out. Next, I can remove the belt for the alternator. This is the tensioner right here, also going to be a 15mm. This belt, you guys can remove it from the top of the car or from the bottom. I'm gonna do it from here, from the bottom. There you go. It's out. Next, I'm going to remove the belt tensioner for the alternator. Also going to be a triple square M10. Alright, at this point, you guys can remove the 3 bolts of the AC compressor. You guys not gonna disconnect any line, you just need to put it to the side. The 3 bolts gonna be 13mm. One out. Second one out. last one out. So I'm gonna use this to hang it like that. Next, you're gonna go to the top of the car and you guys gonna remove this pulley, 16 millimeter. To remove this bracket, you guys gonna have to remove 3 little bolts or screws. Right guys, I have the bracket out. These are 3 bolts I was talking about, or screws, whatever you guys want to call them. They are torque sturdy. If you guys haven't disconnected the battery, this is the right time to do it, because you guys gonna have to disconnect the terminals from the alternator. Negative cable. Right, this is the connector for the harness, and the other one gonna be through that hole. Here I have the 2 bolts of the alternator. They're gonna be the same length. There you go. Alright guys, I'm gonna pull the alternator out from the bottom. There you go. Alright guys, so like I said, this is a junk car, so make no sense to put it back, because I'm gonna take it to the scrap yard soon. The installation is the reverse of the removal. Thank you.